Hey guys, how it's cooking? It's Mikko here, this is Project Boxy. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking something really fast, quick and easy. Check this out. We can call it prawn and mango noodles. Let's check all the ingredients. So this is really all the ingredients we're going to be using today. Prawns, peanuts, coriander, lime, mango, carrot, 1 red chili, noodles, and fresh mint. Oh yeah. Here I already got my water boiling, so the noodles goes in. And we are going to start preparing all the veggies in the meanwhile. So let's start with the coriander. Chop, chop, chop. Now the mint will join the party. Oh, the smell of these fresh herbs is just out of this world. Now take your fresh chili, and I like my meal a little hot, so I leave the seeds in. This will do. Then comes the carrot, peel and make little sticks. And now that your noodles are ready, drain them in the meanwhile. There you go, take your mango. As you may notice, I'm not an expert on slicing a mango, so just make small chunks out of it. Then take one of your limes in half, and there you go. Now you've got everything ready to cook on a pan. Pan on medium heat, a little cooking oil, carrots, chili and mango in. The peanuts goes in. Then after a few minutes add your prawns. The smell is fantastic. Then the noodles. Mix it all up. Lime of 1 juice. Juice of 1 lime. A splash of soy sauce. You can also use fish sauce if you like. And now just mix it all up. And you are ready to plate your dish. Pan off the heat. And now make sure you get everything on the plate. Now garnish with your mint and coriander mixture. And some lime wedges. And look at this. It literally took less than 15 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. Let's have a taste. It's a beautiful meal. It lacks a little bit of salt. I mistakenly thought the prawns in brine and the soy sauce would do the job, but it needs more salt. So guys, add a little more salt. Other than that, it's a great meal with very little effort, fresh and cheap ingredients, that mango giving a nice exotic flavor, and then comes that little uppercut from the chili, followed by some calming freshness of the fresh herbs. Excellent. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and please stay creative in the kitchen. See you guys next time.